Alright boys, I finally got a trade recap. First trade in a bit, but it was a plus trade. I literally could not ask for any better setup. So yeah, let's get right into that, to the recap. So actually, no, I think I have to open Top Step X because for some reason TradingView for me didn't show a lot of the chart. It was kind of like there's a big volume imbalance on my chart, but on Top Step X it was fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. So we have London lows here. We swept it pre-market, okay? Let me just double check what ES was looking like. It was this one right here. The price swept at the time. Okay. So this is December 16 low. Okay? Keep that in mind. NQ, this is that on NQ. NQ is nowhere near it. So therefore we have a big bullish SMT there as well. But anyways, we sweep this pre-market. This is where the SMT was technically. And then I have to wait for market open, obviously. We had 8:30 news. Didn't really do anything today, but so we sweep it right here. Okay, we get displacement up, fall by retrace, but this is all pre-market, so like I don't really care. Then once market opens right here, we get a solid displacement to the downside. I consider this our 5-minute retracement. Okay, because this is kind of chop work. This is a clear 5-minute retrace, okay? What else happened in that 5-minute retracement? We had data lows, 8:30 news lows right here. If you go to the hourly time frame, you can see this is actually an hourly low now, okay? So we swept London lows, and now we swept these hourly lows, these data lows. So I have a lot of confidence to the upside. So obviously now, since we swept an hourly low, I need another 5-minute retracement, which happened at 9:45. Right here, we got another 5-minute retracement to the downside after sweeping these hourly lows, these slash data lows. Okay, so now not only are we sweeping London lows, we're sweeping data lows as well with a big bullish SMT. So just a lot of overall confidence to the upside here. Okay, from there, since we finished the retracement candle close at 9:45 bearish. Where was that? That was like right here. So from there, I just wanted to see us come fill this 1-minute imbalance. We also broke structure to the upside right here. Okay, keep that in mind. So what happens after we fill the imbalance? We displace out of it, take the trade right there. Stops were just below the candle wick that created the imbalance. Would have had to take profit at these 1-minute equal highs, but the risk to reward was not there. So I had to target just these overall buy side hourly highs, I think it was. So yeah, that was the trade. I wasn't even in profit, but it doesn't really matter. Literally, like, I couldn't ask for a better setup here. Price just did what it wanted to do. What can you do? You can see up here I'm down around 1%. Because I'm taking an eval, I'm just risking around 1% per trade, and yeah, just lost, and there's nothing you can do. It was there's nothing for me to learn here. Like, I have to be completely honest with myself, going both ways, not only like with the bad, but also like with the good. Like, genuinely don't think I would have done anything differently here. Only thing is that we swept this pre-market and then consolidated until market open. But I don't really care about that because I'm not expecting a big move pre-market. I'm waiting for market open to push us and give volume to the drawn liquidity. So that consolidation wasn't real. I considered this as this was basically the displacement I look for once we sweep liquidity, just this 5-minute overall displacement to the upside, and then this is the real 5-minute retracement, and then another, again, displacement and retracement after sweeping these data lows. So price ended up just coming down, giving a giant 5-minute retracement. It's kind of how I like to see that, and then just displacing back to the upside. And yeah, this is like I said, this is the trade I will take every single time. Since I lost 1%, I just hopped off the charts, and I can only lose 1% a day. So shut the hell off the charts, staying disciplined to my rules. But if I was on the charts and I was looking to take another trade, I would have potentially taken this trade. Overall, looks like a decent trade. Only thing is that, actually no, I think at this time ES swept an hourly low, so more confidence to the upside. But this would have been a possible trade. Fuck, that would have been a crazy trade, but you know, I can't do anything about that. So yeah, that would have been a great trade also, but I lost 1%. So I gotta stay extremely disciplined to my rules. That's how I trade, and that's how everyone should trade. Like, there's no reason for you to break your rules, you know. But yeah, these were the hourly lows that we came down and swept as well. And then if you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see, even if I wanted to trade this, we got a lot of displacement up, and then retraced at 11:20, which is when I'm already off the charts. So no trades for me here on ES, but we swept these lows at 10:10, and at 10:10, NQ, where was NQ? Yeah, NQ did give us a I mean, no, it actually didn't. We never got a retracement on either, so I would not have been able to take any of these trades. Or I guess at 11. Wait, let me see this. At 11, we closed bearish, but there was nothing to take there. Yeah, wouldn't have been able to take anything because we never got a 5-minute retracement after sweeping the hourly lows that ES took out. There still though was that SMT, but you know, I was covering my mouth there. That's why the audio was bad. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, this would have been a crazy R trade. Like, this would have been a great trade. I would have banked because, yeah, and I was targeting just these low resistance highs, which is perfect. But like I said, no retracement, no trade. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I appreciate you guys. And you know, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, December, it's been tough for me. Honestly, hasn't been the worst. I'm down 1% on the month. You can see here, right? This is my eval. I'm literally just down 1% on the month because I started this eval at the beginning of December, pretty much. That's when I reset it because I had a free reset. But anyway, that was the recap. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.